In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see muted statuses on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up WhatsApp app. Then tap right here to head over to status and the statuses of your contacts. Here in WhatsApp, we can mute someone from our contacts if we don't want to see their status updates here in that list. To do that, all we have to do is just swipe to the left and then tap at mute. What that will do, that will hide these user status updates from that list. In this way, we can mute several users one by one. However, guys, if later on you will change your mind and you would like to unhide them, you can easily find all the muted statuses here just at the muted updates. All we have to do is just tap on it to expand it, and then it will show you all the muted statuses here, and in the same way we can unmute any user just like that. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.